My video tutorial is about getting rid of the pop-ups by the website Earthheartsmith.top. Earthheartsmith.top is a new dangerous site attacking Google Chrome browser and many other browsers. In fact, Earthheartsmith.top tries to trick you into clicking on allow, supposedly to help you watch some video. However, to click on the allow button is definitely a very serious mistake which may hijack the browser with plenty of intrusive advertisements. So you need to do something to immediately disable these ads. Otherwise, if you don't fix your browser, you will keep facing plenty of such ads popping up on your screen. To fix your browser, access the menu, go down to Settings, select Privacy and Security. Go down to Site Settings and then in Permissions area choose Notifications. Pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications and remove the malicious site if you find it on the list. I also recommend you to research the computer with Combo Cleaner, which you may get on the website combocleaner.com. Download the program, install the software and start carefully researching the system in order to effectively detect and remove other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode. So only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on the Start Scan button and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.